Hello, dear students. Today we are going to study our new lesson, that is metals and non-metals. In this lesson, we are going to cover following topics: physical properties of metals and non-metals, chemical properties of metals and non-metals, and uses of metals and non-metals. All the elements has a unique composition. As a result, all elements they differ from each other in their properties. So, on the basis of their properties, elements are divided into two broad classes, okay, metals and non-metals. Now, let's study properties of metals and non-metals. Now, the physical properties of metals and non-metals depends upon their hardness, luster, ductility, heat conduction, their physical state, malleability, density, sonorous, melting and boiling point, etc. Okay, these are all known as their physical features on which their property depends. Now, here is a table which depict the differences between physical properties of metals and non-metal. The first is metals are solids except mercury. All the metals they are solid at room temperature, but there is an exception. Mercury एक ऐसा metal है which exists in liquid state at room temperature. Okay. Next is almost all the metals they are solid or gases. Okay. But bromine is the only non-metal जो liquid स्टेट में एग्जिस्ट करता है रूम टेम्परेचर में. नेक्स्ट इज मेटल्स आर हार्ड. नेक्स्ट फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी इज हार्डनेस. मोस्ट मेटल्स दे आर हार्ड बट सम exceptions are there, like sodium, potassium, they are soft. They can even cut with a knife. But generally non-metals they are soft except diamond, which is a form of carbon. It is the hardest known substance. Okay. Next is their metallic luster. Luster is, what do you mean by luster? Luster is the ability to shine or reflect light. Metals have luster. Okay, metals they can be polished, for example gold, silver, platinum, and they are used for making jewelry. Almost non-metals they lack luster. They have dull appearance. Okay, they cannot be polished. Exception is there. Their iodine and graphite they have a luster, but they are non-metals. Next property is metals have high melting point and boiling point, and non-metals have low melting point. Okay. Next is metals they are malleable, means they can be beaten into sheets. Okay. Thin sheets, so they have a property of malleability. And more like aluminium, you can see thin sheets of aluminium or foils, gold, silver, iron. Non-metals they are brittle in nature, they cannot be beaten into sheets or foils. Next property is ductility. The property by virtue of which metals can be drawn into thin wires is known as ductility. ठीक है, तो most metals they can be drawn into wires like gold, silver, so they are ductile. And non-metals they are brittle in nature, they cannot be drawn into wires. Metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. Okay. And therefore they are used for making electrical wires of cables. Non-metals are poor conductor of electricity except graphite. Next is sonority, the property by virtue of which any element can produce ringing sound. Okay, जब उसको stuck करते हैं तो they produce a ringing sound. तो metals have this property, or you can say metals are sonorous and non-metals they are not sonorous. Okay. There is two more differences. Density. Most metals have high density. Only sodium and potassium has less density, and non-metals have low densities. On the basis of color, metals are white or silver in color, except gold and copper. Gold is yellow in color, and copper is reddish brown in color. And non-metals are colored, whereas some are non-colored. For example, bromine is brown liquid. Okay. Iodine, it is violet in color. Nitrogen, oxygen, they are colorless gases. So these are few differences between the physical properties of metals and non-metals. Now next we come to chemical properties of metals and non-metals. They exhibit different chemical properties. Okay. Now first is metals. Metals, they react with oxygen to form metallic oxides. Okay. Metallic oxides are basic in nature. Whenever any metal, it reacts with oxygen, its oxide is formed. Metallic oxide is formed. Now here you can see example. Whenever any magnesium ribbon is burnt in air, okay, it produces a dazzling white flame to form magnesium oxide. Okay. Mg is for magnesium. When it reacts with oxygen, it forms 2MgO, that is magnesium oxide. Oxide of magnesium is formed. Whenever any metal, it can be suppose sodium. Okay. Sodium, when reacts with oxygen, sodium oxide is formed. So this oxide which is formed is basic in nature. We can do a litmus test. It turns red litmus to blue litmus. Whenever any non-metal, it reacts with oxygen, what happens? Non-metallic oxide is formed. But that non-metallic oxide is acidic in nature. Like sulfur. Sulfur is a non-metal. When it reacts with oxygen, it forms sulfur dioxide. Means when it burns in the presence of oxygen, it forms sulfur dioxide. One more example you can see. Carbon dioxide is formed when carbon, it reacts with oxygen. Okay. Now those oxides, when react with water, they form acids. Okay. Like sulfur dioxide, when it reacts with water, sulfurous acid is formed, and that acid is, as the name suggests, it's acidic in nature. And when the oxide of metals are formed, when they are dissolved in water, like magnesium oxide, when dissolved in water, it forms magnesium hydroxide. But the nature of magnesium hydroxide is basic in nature. Next is reaction of metals and non-metals with water. Whenever any metal, it reacts with water, it forms metal hydroxide or metal oxide. So here you can see an example. Whenever sodium, it reacts with a cold water, it forms sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas is released. Okay. And in this reaction, a large amount of heat is liberated in this reaction. Okay. जब भी किसी केमिकल रिएक्शन में से हीट लिबरेट होती है, हीट निकलती है, दैट रिएक्शन इज नोन एज एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन. ओके. और कई रिएक्शंस ऐसे होते हैं जिसमें हीट लिबरेट नहीं होती, हीट चाहिए होती है फॉर रिएक्शन टू टेक प्लेस. जिसमें हीट रिक्वायर्ड होती है, दैट रिएक्शन इज़ नोन एज एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शन. बट जब ये मेटल्स और वाटर रिएक्ट कर रहे हैं तो हाइड्रोजन गैस रिलीज हो रही है प्लस हीट इज लिबरेटेड, तो दिस टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन इज एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन. Some metals, they react with water and form oxides. Like magnesium, it reacts with water and form magnesium oxide. Okay. And generally non-metals, they do not react with water. Okay. Next is